YouTube, this is Thai Heroes. Welcome back to another video. Please ignore the behind side. Just focus on me. Wait a second, guys. I think now we're great. We have a lighting system. It's lovely, isn't it? I know. So yeah, today I am going to talk about how to make the perfect cold coffee shake. Yeah, so let me just tell you, give you damn it, it's my brother. That's my brother. I'm very sorry. I don't like people. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, so the ingredients which we want is milk. Yeah, we need milk. I don't know how much liters or milliliters. I just need this much milk. This much. And coffee powder this much. And then we need sugar this much. And then what we do is we mix and then shake, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, and comment, subscribe. Obviously I'm joking, guys. I'll show you the video. I'm not joking. Sorry guys, you. Okay, let's get into the video. Man, I don't know, guys. See, I don't have a camera. That's why you see I go like this, like this, like this, like this. This all sides. So yeah, see, it just went out there. It's creepy. So that's why that's why you should subscribe. Yeah, watch this video until the end right now. Yeah, you there, watch it until the end. There is free giveaway. No, I'm not that rich. So basically we'll just add the ingredients and wait. Just need to seal this up. Once again, guys. So this, I've not changed anything. One sec. Please ignore that. I don't know why, but that's in my house. Okay, man, so seriously, you need to be tight here, okay? And by the way, this does not work on hot coffee because it kind of leaks here. Yeah. Oh my god. Check out some skills, bro. I can see it's not anymore slow. I think the quantity of the milk was a bit less than the ice, so I recommend just putting 4 ice cubes. I did a mistake. Please don't repeat what I did. Okay, so as soon as the thing is finishing up, you can feel the weight in here, small sound here. It's the ice breaking stuff. You can feel the weight here. That's the marker that it's complete. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up. Be careful, because it can get messy. FC Barcelona, Messi, and this is why Messi. Because I know there are some. Okay, once again. Okay. You can see the foaming. It's kind of a what to say It's kind of this is also the milk, but it's a kind of a whipped milk. Yeah, whipped cream. Sorry, whipped cream is the correct one. Let's see if 1 second. I just set you guys up there. Oh no. Yeah. Bon appetit. It's good. Just the cream, the thing here is just lovely. Yeah. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. Come on, like, guys, can we get this video like 5 likes? Like, you be the one liking, like 5 likes. That's okay for me. Like just 5 likes, and I'll do more recipe videos. I think I'm gonna do some gaming videos also. Comment down below. Yeah, if you want me to make gaming videos. I don't know if I should say this. Obviously, I'm not gonna do PUBG gameplays.